Hi guys, I thought that you might like to see what I've been up to whilst I've been resting. I've been doing this, resting. So, but I've finished the centre back and I thought I'd show you because this piece here actually would make quite a nice journal page on its own. Obviously, I'm going to go on and build, my flippy flappies, but this on its own, I think you could make a nice journal page out of it. Right, so what have we got? Well, it's 49 and market. Everything that you see is 49 and market, which I have become a real disciple of. So on the front, we've got a pocket. This comes in a set called Remnant Bits, I think. And I put one of the 49 and market rub-ons on it, which are just my very favourite. I love the rub-ons. And this is a postcard stamp, but because it's torn on the top, I actually brought it outside, and so we've just got the bottom of the stamp, and that was on anyway. And then I've put a journaling card in there, and this is some digipaper that I made myself, and some dangles on the side. That's from the tag kit, that's from the Ticket Essentials, and that's from the chipboard set, and they're just all tied up in that corner, dangling away, looking pretty. And that just slides in. Come on, dangle, you want dangle. Slides into there, okay. And then this at the bottom is a stop, and it's to stop this flippy flappy just flapping. It's held in there. So that opens up, and then here we've got a belly band. It's got awesome on it, and a piece of my digipaper that I've just folded up and put in there as journaling. Let's pop that back in there. And then here we've got an acetate pocket with a frame. The frames come from a set called Tidal Waves frame set, and you get turquoise, I think you get green, and you also get white and sort of sandy colour, but you get loads. How many do you get? 36. I mean, loads. And this is from the foundation set. But these papers here are from the Tidal Wave 6x8 collection. Aren't they gorgeous? Just absolutely stunningly, beautifully gorgeous. I love them. Love them all. It's a green one like that as well. Look at that. Oh, gorgeous. Right. So this is just this stop at the bottom is connected to a journaling card which comes out, and then you can see that back page in all its glory. There's the journaling card. I've backed it in white so it's fairly sturdy, you can write on it, and it's got that little stop at the bottom which we now know what that's for. So it comes out over the frame, that fits in there, that goes down there and fits into that stop. So there we have it. That's what I've been up to. I hope you like it, and I hope I'm feeling better soon and able to come back and at least do some proper videos. So see you soon guys, look after yourselves, bye.